Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Deriv to TradingView in 2026. So in order to do it, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Afterwards, you just have to launch any of the charts in front of you after login into your account. So if you don't know how to launch the chart, you can just simply come here on this particular page when you log in. So here you can either click on this watch list icon on the top right hand corner. This way it is going to show you all of the tickers which are basically available in your watch list. So you can click on any one of these. Afterwards you can click on the option of full chart. So it is going to launch the chart in front of you just like so. Now once you have opened the chart, simply click on this trading panel option in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Afterwards click on the option of show all brokers. So when it shows you the list of all of the brokers, simply look for Deriv here in this list. You can also use the search bar on the top right hand corner. Then you can type Deriv here. So as you can see, after searching for Deriv, this option is not available, meaning that you can't currently connect your Deriv account with TradingView. So in this particular situation, what you can do is you can simply open Deriv in a new tab. After that, you can log in into your Deriv account by clicking on this login option. So when you log in into your Deriv account, you can use TradingView to analyze the chart. And in order to punch the orders, you can just simply use Deriv in a new tab. So that's the only way of using Deriv and TradingView together as of right now. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.